welcome back to my channel. I have something to unbox and share with you from Fashionphile. So if you're interested in seeing what that is, guys, keep on watching. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome or welcome back. I know I haven't done a video in a long time because I've been busy with other projects. This one here I purchased from Fashionphile, going on maybe a month or so. It's been sitting out in my garage. I've just been too busy. I haven't got around to it, but I thought today I would take a few minutes and share this with you. So if you're interested in seeing what I picked up from Fashionphile, keep on watching, guys. Before we get started, I wanted to share with you the nail polish of the day that I'm wearing. It's from Chanel, and the number on this one is 759 Energy. And I have topped it off with something from OPI. This one is called, what is this one? Gold Key to the Kingdom. And it's an older one. I've had it for a couple years. It's a chunky glitter. I just love glitter on anything, guys. And I top it all off with my Sally Hansen Extreme Clear. I put that as my base coat, and then I top it off on the top. So I thought I'd share those with you guys before we start this unboxing. So let's get started. So guys, are you ready to see what is in this box? I've been waiting a while too, so let's go ahead, guys, and unbox it. I know it looks a little gross on the top, but I took all my information off there. So let's go ahead, guys. I think I'll open it from the bottom. I cannot wait to see it. Be a little different because I'm opening it from the bottom, and it says from the bottom of this box, thank you, and your standard confetti. You know, the nail file that they include all the time. And here is my receipt and my thank you card. Go ahead and open that up. Thank you. You know the standard documents, right? And then also they've added something new into the envelope. We want this bag back. So if you wanted to send it back, guys, they will purchase it back, and you won't get the full amount what you paid for it, but they will give you, you know, a reasonable amount back. So that's that. So are you ready, guys? And it is something small, and you know the standard used is the new, and all of this here. So there, guys, it comes like this. Go ahead and open it. I'm excited to see what it is. Okay, get rid of the paper too. So it comes in the Fashionphile little dust bag. It looks like they've got some new ones that open up kind of like a Louis Vuitton bag. I like how this one is with the Fashionphile on it. I really like this dust bag. I like the style of it, not the usual drawstring. So are you ready, guys? Come on. It's the first time I'm going to see it with you. Da, 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 da. This is what I purchased, guys. I know it's a little tiny item, and it is not for everybody, this style. So give me a moment to take a peek to see what it the condition is. So the condition was really good. So far there's no issues. Did say it had a little bit of wear, but I don't see any on it. And this one is the mini monogram camera bag in the cherry. I just love it. It is so cute. Zipper runs really well. It does come with the original Louis Vuitton dust bag. Let's go ahead and have a peek inside. And it's got like a fabric lining. One pocket there. And it says made in Spain. I just love this little item. Great as a carry-all, guys. Throw in your purse. You know, catch-all. Really, really like this a lot. Love this little piece. Excellent condition. No smells in it. Zipper is running very, very smoothly. So the reason I purchased this one, guys, I'll show you. I did pick up this one years ago. And these fabric ones are really hard to get. This one is called the Long Cherry Elma. And I got this one for a steal, guys, here in my local area. So the reason when I saw it, I thought it would just go perfect. I mean, it looks like it's a little faded out in color. But that's okay. It's a lot faded out in color, but it's okay. I still like it. It's a gorgeous little piece. I can put it down inside this bag. It is filled with stuffing and whatnot, but it'd be great to keep my, you know, little essentials in, lipstick, whatever, whatnot. Maybe I could use it as like a wallet. So what do you think, guys, of that? It is a cute little item. I just love it. Let's go ahead and see if there's a date code somewhere in this one. Let's see. I don't see where there's a date code anywhere in this one, so I'm kind of questioning. If you guys have one of these, let me know where the date code is in here. Usually it's in a pocket or something. I do not see it at all. But there's this little cutie, guys. And it does have this on the back. So you can either hang it on front of your bag, or I'm going to show you some mod shots in a second on how I think I am. So guys, I've gone ahead and I've connected my Louis Vuitton Damier Ben leather strap. Just hooked it on there, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with the leather strap. Such as this. I think it's a darling little bag. Like I said, for running around, guys, putting your keys in, going to the grocery store, great in and out of the car. You can wear it crossbody. Or you can wear it as just like a shoulder bag, such as this. Great little bag. So guys, I wanted to put this little gold chain on to show you what it would look like with different straps and chains. This is just a generic gold one that I picked up. So let's go ahead, guys, and I'll show you here. You can wear it crossbody little pouch. So cute. I just love that style. Look at that. You could put your keys in it, your credit card. Your phone wouldn't fit, but nevertheless, it would do its job. I will use it as just a shoulder strap type of bag. You can see it there. It's a little long, but you kind of get the idea. Cute little bag. So what do you think, guys? Give me your honest opinion. Leave me it in the comments below. So guys, that'll be my short video for today. Something I just wanted to show you what I picked up in Fashionphile. Haven't purchased from them in a while. So if you haven't followed me yet over on Instagram, please do so at Jandle Smith. And subscribe if you haven't to my channel already. I greatly appreciate it, guys. Till next time, remember, define your style. Don't be afraid to express it, because that's who you are. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.